Hello students. So continuing with our topic, we will be discussing houses today. So the houses in the Indus Valley civilization, we will be discussing how they were made. So let's see what the book says. Houses in the lower town, houses were 1 or 2 stories high. They were made of baked bricks and were built along narrow straight lanes. So the houses were basically not made in the citadel, they were made in the lower town. And what were houses made of? Baked bricks. How do you break baked bricks? You take a bit of soil, you make molds, and you make shapes, and you make base. Earlier it was usually a rectangular shape, and even today the bricks are made into rectangular shapes only. And these which were these molds, they were put under very high fire, so that fire used to bake the soil and make it strong like a brick. So this is how the bricks were made during that time. So these baked bricks and were built along narrow straight lanes. So meant these were meant to be very useful for the people living there. And even during Indus Valley civilizations, they had discovered the idea of having a brick house. Every house had 2 or more rooms with small windows, a bathroom, a kitchen, and a courtyard. Almost every house had a well. They used to, during that time, because the source of water, not if the river was not nearby, then the source of water used to be wells. So every household had a well in it. They used to have a well in every household. Every household had a kitchen and a courtyard. Courtyard is basically an open space for recreation and for just lazing around or just spending some time. It is a free space. So every house had rooms with small windows, bathroom. Every house had bathroom. Every house had a kitchen and a courtyard. Just similar to the concept was similar to today's houses only, but it was meant and built to be for that period. Drainage system. The houses had very good drainage systems. The kitchen and the bathroom had drains connected to the covered main drain running alongside the main road. So every house had a drainage system the drain used to connect to the drain which was in the main road, and later on that main drainage system would go out and go outside the city, and at some dumping yard the drain would empty itself. So basically this is how they used to make drainage system. They were very smart in making drainage system. They were very what you can say they were very ingenuine, and they were very meticulous in their approach in making the drainage system, because every house's drainage system was connected to the main drain that was on the main road. So we're coming to life of the people. We will read about occupations. The Indus people had many different occupations. They were farmers, weavers, potters, metal workers, toy makers, jewelers, stone cutters, and traders. There were so many occupations that were being followed by Indus Valley civilization, people of Indus Valley civilization. They were so advanced during that time that they had started farming that time, they had started weaving. They were potters who would make pans and pots. They were people who would work on metal and prepare weapons and tools. There were toy makers. Even during that time, they used to make toys for children. It was such an advanced civilization that we cannot explain it in one word. We will be discussing about their various occupation in our next topic. For today, let's stop here. Have a good day.